Solar Eclipse 2021 date and time. An annular solar eclipse is taking place on June 10, which will last for a total duration of 3 minutes and 51 seconds, according to NASA's website. An annular eclipse is a partial eclipse, and only a part of the Sun will appear to have a shadow over it. The eclipse is also one where a ring of fire appears in the sky when the Moon covers the Sun. Here is everything to know about the solar eclipse on June 10. What is an annular solar eclipse? A solar eclipse takes place when the Moon comes between the Sun and Earth, and blocks out the sunlight for some areas, either partially or fully. In a total solar eclipse, the Moon fully blocks out the sunlight for some areas, which is why during peak of the eclipse, the skies go dark. However, in an annular eclipse, the Moon is unable to block the entire view of the Sun, and it will look like a dark disk on top of a larger, bright disk, which as NASA explains gives the ring of fire effect around the Moon. Where all is the annular solar eclipse of June 10 visible? Parts of Canada, Greenland, and northern Russia will experience the annular eclipse. In other parts of the world, people will only see a dark shadow on part of the Sun's surface, which is a partial eclipse. They will not get to see the ring of fire. The areas where the partial eclipse will be visible are eastern United States, northern Alaska, along with much of Canada and parts of the Caribbean, Europe, Asia, and northern Africa. According to NASA, in many of these locations, the eclipse will occur before, during, and shortly after sunrise. The annular eclipse will not be visible in India, though some reports have claimed that it will be visible in eastern states such as Arunachal Pradesh. However, going by NASA's animation, this does not appear to be the case. India will miss out on the eclipse entirely. What are the timings for the annular solar eclipse? The 2021 annular solar eclipse event will start at 1:42 p.m. IST, and will continue till 6:41 p.m. IST. The duration of the annular eclipse at greatest eclipse will be around 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Is it safe to watch an annular or partial eclipse without any eye protection? It is not safe to look at a solar eclipse directly. NASA says this holds true even for partial and annular eclipses. It recommends that those who are viewing a solar eclipse should wear solar viewing or eclipse glasses throughout the entire eclipse, especially if one wants to face the Sun. It also notes that solar viewing glasses are not the same as regular sunglasses. The latter are not recommending for viewing a solar eclipse. For those who do not have glasses, NASA says they should try an alternate indirect method, such as a pinhole projector, but one should not use these to look directly at the Sun.